First-order logic, FOL, is a mathematical language used in artificial intelligence for representing knowledge and making inferences. Its syntax involves symbols for variables, constants, predicates, functions, quantifiers, and logical connectives. Semantics deal with the interpretation of these symbols and expressions, defining what statements are true or false in different interpretations or models. FOL is essential for reasoning and problem-solving in AI systems. Syntax: constants A, B, C, \L dots \. Variables X, Y, Z, \L dots \. Predicates P, Q, R, \L dots \. Functions F, G, H, \L dots \. Quantifiers \for all, \exists \. Logical connectives: \land, \lore, \l0, \right arrow, \left right arrow \. Semantics: interpretation I \. Domain D \. Assignment \sigma \. Satisfaction I \models \phi \sigma \. Models I \sigma \. Validity \models \phi \.